Hello, what's up, my beautiful people? How are you doing? Welcome back to the Alentonate's Kitchen, where cooking is simple, fun, and easy. If you're new here, welcome to this amazing channel. But if you are a returning subscriber, karibu sana. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, for it really supports our channel. So today we are going to throw down an amazing recipe. We are going to throw down a chocolate cake recipe. So let's get straight into the ingredients. Quarter cup of cocoa, 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, half cup of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 eggs, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of boiling water, we will boil it, 1 cup of milk, 250 grams of butter, 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So guys, let's get straight into the procedure. So the first step before we do anything here, make sure you've preheated your oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Then we're going to start by mixing all the dry ingredients first. Let's add our 2 cups of all-purpose flour into our mixing bowl. Add our sugar. Let's mix them. You can even use a wooden spoon. There is no harm. When it is well incorporated, let's add in our cocoa. The outcome result should be a simple, moist chocolate cake. Add in your baking soda. Baking powder. And don't do the mistake of over-mixing your ingredients. And lastly, pinch of salt. So we are done with the dry ingredients. So let's head to the wet ingredients. Okay, so let's make a well in the middle. Add in your eggs. Mix it well. Let's add the milk. Mix it. Let's add in our oil. Then let's add in our butter. As we prepare the 1 cup boiling water. Okay, so let's boil the 1 cup of boiling water. I've on my kettle. Meanwhile, I'll keep on stirring, but I don't want to over mix it. I don't want my cake to backfire. I will use the boiling water to melt this butter and pour it here directly. Let's give it a few minutes. It's almost done. Okay guys, so meanwhile I just want to thank all of you for always consuming our content. We don't take it for granted. It's almost there. It's done. Let me pour it in this so that it may melt the butter. There you go. Let's mix. The goal is to achieve a moist chocolate cake. So the next step is we are going to line our baking tins. If you have a baking paper, you're good to go. But if you don't have a baking paper, there's no need to worry. What you do is you apply butter on your baking tin. You sprinkle some flour on it so that once the cake is done, it doesn't stick on the baking flour. So let's pour our mixture into the baking tins. There you go. Carefully. So that is done. Let us put it on the other baking tin. So guys, you can imagine the amount, the portion that only 2 cups of flour can give, the amount of cake. There you go. So remember, our first step was preheating your oven. So by now your oven should have been preheated at 180 degrees for 10 minutes, both top and bottom. So we are done. Let's get straight into the oven. I'll show you another hack on the other side. So this is the last step. Make sure you've preheated your oven for 10 minutes, both top and bottom at 180 degrees. And another thing, guys, when baking, always use this that looks like a, what does it look like? A grill. Yes, always use this grill. When you use the other one, it will burn the lower part, and the upper part won't get well cooked. So, and make sure you place it at the center of the oven. So let's put in our cake mixture. I hope they fit. There you go. So we are going to cook it for 40 minutes, both for 180 degrees, both top and bottom. See you guys after 40 minutes. So guys, our cake is ready. As you can see, our watch has stopped. So let's check our cake. Yay! There you go. Okay. So let's chill it for a while, then we'll cut it. Okay, so let's check the magic we've created. Gently, there you go. This other one, gently, yeah, there you go. So let's remove the baking papers, and I'm telling you guys, the smell, the aroma, is giving. Wow. Can't wait to cut it so that I can show you the inside part of it. We are trying to be as gentle as possible so that you may not spoil it or deform it. So that is it. So we're going to chill it for about 10 minutes, then we'll cut it together. So we have chilled it for 15 minutes and now it's ready to be served. And you can spot my beautiful plates from Cookware Platinum. You can find them on Instagram as Cookware Platinum. You can also order through this number on your screen. And guys, that was it. A moist chocolate cake recipe. That was all we had for today. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to follow us on our social media pages on Instagram at the Alentonates. Follow our Facebook page at Yummy Yummy with Alentonates, and don't miss away our amazing giveaways. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, share and comment on the video. Till the next one guys, ciao.